Enscape has a huge and diverse assets library. To access this library, choose Asset Library from Enscape toolbar, click on its icon. These assets may be available online or offline. For offline, it needs to be downloaded, and for online needs the internet to view these assets. Until now, the Enscape assets are 3,511 assets. They are varied, including accessories, animals, construction, furniture, hospital props, lighting, people, sport props, street props, vegetation, and vehicles. We will also see here tags part. So when you select one tag, all assets included in it will appear. For example, if we choose bathroom, we will view all the components of bathrooms. And if select bush tag, we will view bushes, plants which are shrubs or smaller. So tags work as a filter in order to view a specific type of assets. Also here you can notice that there are other tags. If we choose flower tag, it will select the bushes that have flowers. So if you checked flower like this, we will notice that all the bushes we have flowers. If we remove the check mark next to the tag, it back to all assets in the software. Also, with using this box, we can search any asset we want, or a keyword of the asset to reach it with ease.